Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2019 Module 12 SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C. Our client provide us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Setup. Download the file, rename it, and confirm your name in cell B6. Enable the Developer tab if needed. Step 2. Tutor Summary Worksheet. Unprotect the sheet, insert WordArt with Penta Tutoring Program, and format it as instructed. Delete the Insert Title button. Step 3. Print Setup Macro. Record a print_setup macro to set landscape orientation and fit the sheet on one page. Assign it to the Print Setup button. Step 4. Tutor Records Worksheet. Add data validation to the tutoring start date column for dates between March 22, 21 and May 14, 21, with input and error messages. Fix invalid dates. Step 5. Tutor Registration Worksheet. Fix the clear_form macro range in the VBA editor, assign it to the button, and test. Create and assign a button for the add_tutor macro. Step 6. Data Entry. Enter the given tutor data, use the Add Tutor button, and confirm the record is added to the tutor records sheet. Step 7. Finish. Save, close, and submit the workbook. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268, or log into our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.